I spend most of my life in my room, designing, teaching alone. Today I left that room to make a mug. I didn't expect it to change this much. Hi, I'm Saba. I design 3D fashion and teach online. Lately, I felt cut off from people, so I signed up for a local mug workshop. This is me trying to reconnect. I want to show you the small steps that felt surprisingly big. I love what I do, but working alone makes everything echo. Screens can't give you the small human bits. A laugh, a shared mess, a stranger's opinion. I thought, what's the simplest way to meet people? A mock workshop. So, no pressure, just hands and clay. I felt awkward walking in, but this space was warm. The first trick I used, bring a small, honest question to open conversation. Is this your first time? Do you come here often? I picked a simple, white base, low risk. When you're reconnecting, start with low social risk too. If you're introverted, don't force cheerfulness. Aim for one real 2-minute exchange. I didn't make a best friend in 1 hour, I made a moment, a small human exchange that felt like validation. That's enough. This is mine. Imperfect, warm, a little messy. It reminds me that people are messy and lovely too. If this inspired you, like, subscribe, and share with one person who needs this push. You don't have to become extroverted. You only have to do the next small thing.